Budgeting and forecasting are critical to the success of any business, especially in times of rapid change. But developing accurate budgets and forecasts can be a long, tedious process, with finance chasing various people across the business and getting lost in multiple versions of complex spreadsheets. At the end of the process, static budgets are distributed to individuals who may or may not understand them or care for them. And if it needs updating, don't even think about it until next year. But what if there was a better way, where forecasts can be continually and quickly updated? Numbers presented in a way that are easier to understand, and where finance can spend less time chasing and more time leading. Phocas Budgeting and Forecasting does all this and more. With simple, intuitive workflows, worksheets become user-friendly, collaborative tools, encouraging contributors to be more engaged in the process. Easily budget revenue, headcount, product lines, or any other metric available to you in Phocas. Then adjust, revise, and reforecast as times change. Or prepare a rolling forecast to stay ahead of critical measures like gross margin and sales targets. All with permission control, full audit trails, and without version control issues or validation headaches. Finally, Phocas Budgeting and Forecasting seamlessly integrates with Phocas Financial Statements and Phocas Analytics, giving you company-wide financial planning, analysis, and reporting all in a single platform. Get accurate data today to make better decisions for tomorrow with Phocas Budgeting and Forecasting.